Oh my god.
In the desert, nature has created a very different, but no less beautiful living system. And while this arid landscape may seem lifeless, it is very much alive. The plants and animals that have learned to survive in these harsh conditions make use of what little water they can find and avoid the scorching rays of the relentless sun. The American prairie once appeared as desolate as the desert, but over time, rainwater and nutrients gradually penetrated the hard surface of this land. Even the hooves of the mighty buffalo helped create the rich soil that would one day become home to the American farm.
Free dog. And a free bird. What's that about? It's not. Oh, it's a cat. It's a chicken.
Oh, it's chicken.
Oh, we got a chicken.
Chicken.
Shut up, dog.
Look at that.
You can touch it.
Of all the forces at work on the land, humans have had one of the most profound effects. The need to produce food for a growing world led to the enormous use and sometimes overuse of the land. In our search for more efficient ways to grow food, we often fail to realize the impact of our methods. Today, we're learning to live with the land, discovering better ways to grow food that will assure both human and environmental well-being.
Under vegetation containing natural fertilizers, we can enrich the soil without the use of chemicals. In arid regions, we're learning to produce food on desert seacoasts by developing and planting crops that thrive on salt water. In Japan, we're learning that by mixing leaves and other living materials into our soil, we can make farmland more fertile without the need for chemicals. Here at Epcot, we're learning to reduce the need for chemical pesticides by breeding and using natural predators, like ladybugs and wasps, to control pests. In the farmlands across America, we're learning that by plowing under vegetation containing natural fertilizers, we can enrich the soil without the use of chemicals.
How will we meet tomorrow's growing needs for food production, yet still respect the needs of the land? Some of the answers are being discovered just ahead. To help us maintain these carefully controlled ecosystems, and for your safety, please remain seated in your boat at all times.
Oh, we're in the Epcot Mall. We're in the Epcot Mall. Are we in the mall?
You're in a greenhouse.
Welcome to our living laboratory, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways
But
to produce
it's
food
clear
from
because it gets
now
that sun.
and into the future. The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet.
Peanut butter.
Many of these, like papaya,
Papaya,
bananas,
avocado.
cacao, coffee, and rice, are well known around the world. edible plants that have been an important source of
We
nutrition.
got jackfruit right there. Babe, how big that thing is.
What?
Many are
Right there. See how big the jackfruit.
while others
Look at the jackfruit back there.
growing in less than ideal conditions. Some, like the water lily, thrive in wet, swampy areas.
Is that real water?
All
Yeah.
parts of this plant, even the flower petals, are edible. The starchy food of the plant has
We got that in our backyard. A
Is
date
the
palm.
sand? Is the sand wheel? That's the sand wheel?
Yes, everything's real in here.
one day, many of these lesser-known tropical plants may be as important as the bananas growing on both sides of the boat.
Everything's real.
More than 28 million tons of bananas are eaten annually, making it the most popular fruit in the world.
Populars.
Vanilla. Pineapple, guava, banana. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana.
Look, stop.
Oh, it is fruit. Oh my gosh, is something really this way? Oh, it's gonna be hot in here. Oh, fish.
Fish.
Hope we see it tomorrow. Where's that number? Oh, shoot. Like me now.
When you mention farming, you probably don't think of fish, but fish farming, or aquaculture, accounts for nearly half of all the seafood consumed globally. Tilapia, bass, and catfish, like the ones you see here, are three of the more popular crops raised by fish farmers. The sustainable system you're using here recycles the water in the tanks. As a result, we're able to save millions of gallons each year. Our small fish farm produces nearly 5,000 pounds of fish each year to serve in restaurants around Walt Disney World. Innovations like this one can play an important role in our efforts to produce valuable harvests and still protect natural resources.
A little shrimp in there, dude.
Oh, see.
Don't touch it, dude. It's a Buddha's hand.
Wait, what?
Buddha's hand.
What's a
That thing that's growing on the tree right there.
Look at that hand. It looks like hand.
Prickly pear
There are
cactus.
more than 50,000
You like that drink,
plant
prickly pear?
species in the world. Most of us are only familiar with the handful that make up our everyday diet. The common grains growing here, wheat, maize, sorghum, and millet, plus rice, account for nearly 2/3 of our global food consumption. Learning how to increase yields of these staples is an important goal of research around the world.
Sugar, buddy. That's what you like.
These plants
Sugar.
are definitely on their way up.
Eggplant.
Innovative growing techniques like these increase yields while more efficiently using resources like water, fertilizer, and pesticides. Another innovation at work here is our
Tomato.
integrated pest management program. By
Cucumber.
populating our greenhouses with
Lettuce.
beneficial insects that prey on harmful pests like aphids and flies, we are significantly reducing our reliance on conventional pesticides. We're growing these crops using our nutrient film system. This technique precisely controls and recycles water and nutrients. With it, we can produce over 27,000 heads of lettuce a year in this one small area.
Yeah. Look at the spiral nutrient film technique over here. Spins them around. I spin you right round, baby, right round. Pepper.
Some of our best ideas have been inspired by nature,
Vertical
like
farming.
these fruit and vegetable trees. By growing these ground plants vertically, we can increase yields and better control diseases. These crops taste as good as they look. In
Cucumbers.
fact, we serve more than 15 tons of produce from our greenhouses in restaurants here in the land every year.
A lot of tomatoes.
It's another great way to produce more while using less. In our lab, Epcot scientists are working with the U.S. Department of Agriculture on a number of innovative projects. The goal of these
Celery.
is to produce higher yielding and better quality plants.
Sit down. Squash.
The future of agriculture may include innovative ideas like this vertical growing system. Plants grown in this way use a fraction of the space required by traditional growing methods. That saves water and increases production. The aquaponics system on your left combines hydroponics with aquaculture. The fish provide a natural source of fertilizer for the plants, and the plants help keep the water clean for the fish. It's another great way to produce more while using less. In our lab, Epcot scientists are working with the U.S. Department of Agriculture on a number of innovative projects. The goal of these efforts is to produce higher yielding and better quality plants. Gardeners are doing their part to improve the quantity and quality of foods that we all rely upon. Together, we can continue to find more ways to increase food production and protect our precious natural environment. Only then will we truly be living with the land. On behalf of Walt Disney World, we hope you've enjoyed this. These greenhouses represent just a fraction of the work being done worldwide to produce valuable harvests for our growing population. Scientists, farmers, and even backyard gardeners are doing their part to improve the quantity and quality of foods that we all rely upon inside the boat. Together, we continue to find more ways to increase food production and protect our precious natural environment. Only then will we truly be living with the land. On behalf of all Disney World, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you are a laboratory, we'd like to caution